Welcome to Man of Thoughts, the channel where we delve into the shadows of the human psyche. Today we're diving deep into the abyss of attraction, exploring the subtle signs a woman might be interested in you. You know, the kind of signs that make you question if it's real or just your imagination playing tricks on you. We're not talking about your usual blushing and giggling here. We're talking about the kind of signals that send shivers down your spine. The ones that make you wonder if you're dealing with a siren luring you to your doom or just a really into you human being. Buckle up, because we're about to unravel 4 dark signs of attraction that might just leave you sleeping with the lights on. Picture this: a dimly lit bar, shadows dancing on the walls, the air thick with unspoken tension. You're nursing a drink, trying to blend in with the darkness when you notice her. She's sitting across the room, her eyes locked on you. You shift in your seat and she does the same. You take a sip of your drink, your eyes never leaving hers, and like a predator mirroring its prey, she takes a sip of her drink too. It's subtle, almost imperceptible, but it's there, that uncanny mirroring of your actions. This isn't some parlor trick, my friends. This subconscious mimicry is a primal dance of attraction. It's the ancient language of I see you and I'm interested. Now, before you start practicing your best owl impression in the mirror, remember, context is key. If she's copying your every move in a crowded elevator, she might just be claustrophobic. But in the right setting, with the right kind of intensity, this mirroring can be a powerful indicator that something more is brewing beneath the surface. Let's face it, some of us enjoy a little playful torment, a little push and pull in the game of attraction. You know the type. The one who throws a teasing jab your way, a mischievous glint in her eye. She might make fun of your taste in music, challenge your opinions, or tell you that shirt looks better on you yesterday. It's enough to make you question if she actually likes you or if she's just toying with you for sport. But here's the thing about teasing. It's a way of creating intimacy through playful banter. It's a dance on the edge of a knife, a test of wit and resilience. This isn't about malicious insults, my friends. It's about the kind of teasing that makes you laugh, even as you're shaking your head in mock annoyance. It's the kind of playful sparring that ignites a spark, a flicker of something more. So the next time a woman teases you mercilessly about your questionable dance moves, don't despair. It might just be her way of saying, I see you, and I kind of like what I see. Just be ready with a witty comeback, because this is a game for two. They say touch is the most primal form of communication, a language that speaks volumes without a single word. And let me tell you, when a woman is attracted to you, her touch becomes a whispered promise in the darkness. It might start subtly. A lingering brush of her hand against yours as you both reach for the same appetizer. A playful nudge on the shoulder as she laughs at your jokes. These seemingly innocent touches are anything but. They're calculated to send shivers down your spine, to make you hyper-aware of her presence. It's like she's testing the waters, gauging your reaction to her touch. And as the night wears on, those touches might become bolder, more deliberate. A hand resting on your arm a little too long, a gentle squeeze of your hand as she leans in to whisper something in your ear. These are not accidents, my friends. These are carefully orchestrated maneuvers designed to send your senses into overdrive. So pay attention to the way she touches you, because her hands might be revealing secrets her lips haven't spoken yet. We've all heard the saying, the eyes are the windows to the soul. But what happens when those windows are shrouded in mystery, when the gaze that meets yours sends a chill down your spine? Intense eye contact, the kind that feels like she's looking right through you, can be a powerful sign of attraction. It's like she's trying to decipher your every thought, to unravel the secrets hidden beneath your surface. Now, I'm not talking about the kind of eye contact you make with the cashier at the grocery store. I'm talking about a gaze that lingers a beat too long, a look that makes you question if you've got something stuck in your teeth. It's the kind of eye contact that makes the air crackle with unspoken tension. The kind that makes you feel like you're the only two people in the room. So if you find yourself locked in a battle of the stares with a woman who seems to be peering into your very essence, don't be afraid to hold her gaze. You might just discover a world of unspoken desire hidden within those depths. So there you have it, 4 dark signs that a woman might be harboring a secret attraction for you. From mirroring your movements to unleashing the power of her gaze, these are just a few of the ways she might be trying to lure you into her web. But be warned, my friends, the path of attraction is a treacherous one, fraught with peril and uncertainty. So if you dare to venture down this rabbit hole, proceed with caution. And hey, while you're navigating the murky waters of attraction, why not hit that like button and subscribe to Man of Thoughts for more insights into the dark side of the human experience? Because let's face it, sometimes the truth is stranger and a hell of a lot more entertaining than fiction.